Hi guys. Haven't been very well recently. Been in bed for 2 days. I'm trying to make myself do a bit of exercise now. So plan A, I'm going to make a paper aeroplane and then throw it up and down the kitchen, which means I get a bit of walking exercise. This is just a random bit of paper, which has lots of statistics on it from 2005. So I don't think there's anything on there that's going to get you guys excited trying to read it. I'm sure somebody will try. Anyway, I'll just do one of my general purpose designs. Fold it in half that way. So say this is just to force me to do a bit of exercise. Tuck those bits in there. Go on, in you go. Okay, so we've got a good lump of weight at the front. That's all a bit floppy and bendy. Shouldn't be like that. Okay. Yeah, looks like it might work. Right, we'll do it this way round, because now he's got the washing on the area here. I don't want you to see all our underwear being dried. What usually happens is I hit all round the archway here instead of getting it straight through, but we'll have a go. Well, that'll have to do. I didn't manage to hit the camera, but I'm getting hot, overheating. So that'll do for my exercise today.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.